this time of year. It's
what you can expect if you're looking to fill up at the tank.
SYR TV Syracuse, the local station. You're watching the Morning News.
Good morning. Welcome in. It is Monday, May 4th. You have Ryan and Rachel with you today. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, so glad you are here. Of course, May the 4th be with you. That's what a lot of folks will be saying. Are you a big Star Wars fan? Yeah, same. I mean, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
And can realize why a lot of people are fans, but
yeah, I never got too into it. I mean, I've seen them.
Yeah.
But, and they're good movies. It's just not my style.
How about you, Kate? You like Star Wars, right?
I like Star Wars, yeah. I call myself a casual fan, but I enjoy it. I mean, I'm one of the rare ones. I like the episodes, not so much 1, but like 2 and 3 I really, really like. So here's what it looks like right now in the 40s and 50s as we are up and at 'em. It is mild on this May 4th. May the 4th be with you. For all who celebrate, we got temperatures today not feeling too bad. There's been a little bit of rain, not much, but we'll have some of these quick little passing showers today. You'll wake up, you're like, oh, yeah, it rained last night. Or the ground and the driveways are probably a little damp for you, but we'll see some sun. Temperatures, 70s. We like that. We've got a couple of days in the 70s today and tomorrow before that cooler air coming back at the end of the week. We'll have more on that coming up in your extended timecast.
Thanks so much. We start
Storm Team meteorologist Kate Thornton with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
And a very good Monday morning to you. Beautiful sunrise in the making. You can see the breaks in the clouds. We had a little bit of rain overnight, so things are a little damp as you're up and at them this morning, but it's mild. It's 52 degrees. It's a little breezy outside, 40s and 50s, depending on where you are here in Central New York. And we are off and running to a mild start to our day. Today and tomorrow will be the warmest days of the next at least 7 or more days around here, where we are forecasting those highs to crack the 70-degree mark for most of us. Upper 60s from Watertown to Lowville, low 70s from Syracuse to Cass to even Penn Yan and Waterloo. So not feeling too bad. We'll keep it mild overnight. An occasional passing shower not ruling out. The clouds stick with us and so does the wind. So that's why our lows are staying in the 50s overnight. Many of us get into the 70s tomorrow before the rain and thunderstorms get in here, mainly tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. And that's going to spill over to Wednesday. Wednesday, we're looking at a fairly chilly but also rainy day. Some widespread steady rain around here for Wednesday, and then we'll have just more of these nuisance showers to close out the week. But that's also when our temperatures take a bit of a hit. And when we're talking a decent amount of rain, I mean, look at this. This is starting with our rain showers for tomorrow afternoon, taking us into Wednesday. A lot of us are going to see at least an inch or more of rain, so things are going to be very, very waterlogged around here. We don't have any flooding alerts or anything like that, but certainly a lot of ponding. Those small streams and creeks are really going to rise, and their banks getting swollen around here. So we're going to keep an eye on that. I know Lake Ontario has been running very high right now. Here's what it looks like on the radar. A lot of birds and ground clutter being picked up on the radar. But what we have right here, a little bit of rain trying to sneak in out over Wayne County, just going into northern Cuyahoga County. We'll see more of these just kind of spotty showers. There is that warm front nearby, and you know those. We don't trust them. But a lot of dry real estate out over Ohio and Michigan. So I'm optimistic we'll get a lot of that over us, too. We just got to get this one little trough, this little wave to move through mid-morning. Again, a brief shower, and then there is a lot of gorgeous weather to enjoy today. A lot of sunshine, so have your sunscreen. Warm, breezy, mid-60s at noontime. This afternoon looking really nice for those outdoor spring sports for this evening. A bit breezy, but temperatures pretty nice. And then this evening, a little bit of some rain passing through again. Tomorrow, it's not completely dry, but the whole day is not a washout. We do have to watch out for isolated showers and maybe even a few thunderstorms mid-morning, but the chances really start to go up the second half of the day tomorrow. There's the risk of some of these storms to have the gusty winds and maybe even some hail, and then you can see the widespread rain getting in here, and then our temperatures really take a hit. Most of us are in the 40s to low 50s, and we are just going to be in and out of these rounds of rain all day on Wednesday. It tapers off, giving us just some spotty showers, but much cooler Thursday and Friday with highs in the 50s. Saturday around 60 degrees, some scattered showers, and not looking too shabby for Mother's Day on Sunday.
Right now it is 5:16. We're looking.
Certified as Central New York's most accurate.
Well, our chances for rain very, very spotty for today. We'll have a brief shower this morning, maybe even a little bit again this afternoon, but it's really during the day tomorrow that our chances for rain really ramp up, and by Tuesday night into Wednesday, we are looking at some steady, widespread rain that's going to last for a good chunk of the day on Wednesday. The warmest days are today and tomorrow. Cold front comes through, and then we are getting knocked back down, mid-50s for highs, and we'll slowly bring it back up through the 60s over the weekend.
Rubbing her calf all morning long, complaining about her hammies as well. She was there for, oh, look at these dogs.
Oh.
I think there's controversy who finished first. You took part in the relay.
Yeah, I did the relay with, actually with one of the organizers, Rosemary Nelson. She was awesome. She was like, my partner bailed out. I need a partner. You want to join? I was like, let's do it.
And you're watching the fun run there, it looks like.
Oh, those are always, yeah, the kids run is always a good one.
Yeah. He's feeling a little sore this
A
morning.
little sore, yeah. I took the second leg, which tends to be the harder one. You know, Colvin and Thornton. Whew, that Thornton Park,
nice
man.
and,
it was beautiful.
nice and sunny for you,
the
though.
sun was out. It was a little cool. It was a little breezy, but you know, honestly, but like I'll take that over some of the weather you get at the Boilermaker when it's really hot and humid out there. So this, yeah, you know. So this, yeah, it was beautiful. Such an amazing race. They do such a great job organizing the party, and everyone lined up, cheering everyone on to keep everyone going. All the Syracuse City schools are out there cheering and everything. It was awesome. All law enforcement out there making sure all the streets are safe. It's incredible.
So thanks to all the volunteers out there over the weekend. It was beautiful yesterday.
It was gorgeous. Yeah, my husband mowed yesterday too as soon as I got back.
That's great.
Yeah, he was like, tag, you're it.
You're like, I'm on the couch.
And now look at this nice sunrise we have here.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. We're going to look at the satellite radar. So yeah, looking east towards our sunrise, we got breaks in the clouds. So that sunrise is going to be gorgeous when that sun does come up in about 25 minutes. But then we look back to our north and west. We got a little bit of rain trying to sneak on through here. There are going to be occasional passing spotty showers this morning. It's mild, it's breezy. We're starting off in the low 50s, 70s today. Plenty of sunshine this afternoon. This afternoon looks really, really nice. It's warm, it's breezy. 70s today before we cool it back down the rest of the week.
Thank you, Kate. We start this.
Now, Storm Team meteorologist Kate Thornton with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
And a very good Monday morning to you. We have a live view right now from the Cadby Skynet 9 camera, looking absolutely beautiful out there. We got a great sunrise in the making. Sunrise coming up in just about 10 minutes. We have 52 degrees, a little breezy outside. The cloud cover and the wind has kept our temperatures up from the New York State Mesonet network. We got a couple spots that are in the 30s to near 40, but where we do have a little bit more clouds, you'll find 50s as we are up and at 'em this morning. It's overall a pretty nice day. A couple of very brief passing showers, but a lot of rain-free time and sunshine. A little breezy, a little warm too. We have highs in the 70s. So that'll feel really nice. Today for some of you will be our warmest day. We do have 70s in the forecast for tomorrow, but a lot of that is happening earlier in the day. Then a cold front and the rain gets through here in the afternoon, and then our temperatures start to go down, and then we are closing out the week certainly much cooler than normal by 10 or more degrees with those 50s returning. And that is when we have our cold front through here, giving us some decent amount of rain. We're looking at some widespread rain showers Tuesday night, lasting for a good chunk of the day Wednesday, tapering to just some scattered lighter showers to close out the week. Mother's Day right now is looking mostly dry, so that's some good news. But forecast rainfall, I mean, look at this. There's a lot of yellow and orange on here, so that's upwards of 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. That's a lot of rain in a short amount of time. Now, we don't have any flooding alerts right now, but it's certainly going to be a little tough for our smaller streams and creeks to kind of handle that much water. So we're going to be watching that very carefully. On the radar, we have a warm front nearby, so we do have a few very light passing showers. This is going to be probably just a little bit of a light sprinkle to just some lighter showers, and it's not lasting all day. It's kind of swinging through this morning. We'll have plenty of dry time this afternoon, so you can see in the timecast brief showers about between now and like 9 o'clock, and then midday. Look at this afternoon, beautiful. If you're looking to get outside, if you have golf league today, kids spring sports or anything like that, I mean, you're looking really, really nice. You of 70s, a nice breeze, lots of sunshine, so have your sunscreen. You're good to go. Really take advantage and enjoy. Tomorrow's when we have our next chance for some rains. We'll be in and out of these rain showers. We'll have to watch out for even a rumble of thunder swinging on through. Can't rule that out. Temperatures in the low 70s before that front comes through, and then our chances for rain's going to be a little tougher to get some dry time for tomorrow evening. You may be able to navigate, especially, any spring sport games, to get around some of these showers. But then Tuesday night, overnight into Wednesday, it is game on with some pretty heavy, steady rain. You can see a lot of the darker greens and the yellows, and then we'll eventually kind of lighten up the rain. But our temperatures really take a hit around here as we continue this cooler than average weather pattern. This will take us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with highs in the 50s. Now, Thursday, Friday, there will be a lot of dry time. It's just a couple little spotty showers nearby. Even on Saturday, some scattered rain showers, highs up around 60, then mid-60s, and mainly dry for Mother's Day.
All right.
The force is well with us today. We're looking pretty good today and tomorrow with temperatures 70s. Not too bad. We got a little bit of rain coming our way for today, but tomorrow we're watching out for more widespread rain showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday night carrying over into Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be one of those just really wet, dreary, cloudy, cool days, and that's going to stick around through the end of the week. We have temperatures around 60 on Saturday. Sunday, things not looking too shabby for Mother's Day, but looking long term. This is taking us all the way through the third week in May. Overall trend is to still keep our temperatures below average, which at that point is the upper 60s to near 70s. So it just means not a lot of 70 plus weather coming our way. At least we'll see about the end of the month if we can kind of turn things around a little bit.
Let's hope.
Yeah, we're going to try.
Well, you heard Kate mention, may the 4th be with you, obviously Star Wars related. So our question of the day is Star Wars themed as well. We are asking
ITheir TV Syracuse, the local station. You're watching the morning news.
It's always such a great event and honor flight. They do an incredible job. Twice a year they take these vets to DC with at no cost. We'll have much more on that, but a very special honor for those vets.
Absolutely. Good morning. Welcome in. It is 6 o'clock on a Monday, May 4th. You got Ryan and Rachel with you. We are so glad you are here. Thank you for joining us.
And we are looking to the sky, not just because may the 4th be with you, but because we have kind of a nice sunrise on tap. A lot of clouds there, but you know what? We're getting the colors.
Bad. Looking eastbound, we can see breaks in the clouds and not a bad start to our morning. Some of you may be a little damp. We've had couple showers working on through here. We had some rain last night, but things are a little quieter. We just have a couple of some of those showers kind of coming down right at the northern part of Onondaga County. Lighter rain showers in parts of Oswego County this morning. As we look in Baldwinsville from the CATV Skynet 9 camera, it's cloudy. I don't really see any rain coming down here, though, or if there is, it is just more sprinkles than anything. It's 52 right now at the Syracuse Airport. It's been a bit breezy, a bit cloudy, and that has kept our temperatures up overnight. A warm, breezy day ahead. Lots of sunshine for the mid-afternoon. Today actually looks really, really nice. Today is going to be the pick day. Once again, the second Monday in a row, we'll have some great weather, and then it's just going to turn cool and unsettled again for the rest of the week. We'll have the latest on all of that for you coming up in just a few minutes.
Thank you so much. We are taking you to the pumps.
Now, Storm Team meteorologist Kate Thornton with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
Good morning. These are some of the third graders at Mount Road Elementary School over in the FM district. We had a lot of fun together last Friday, so thank you so much for having me. They are just starting their weather unit. They had some really, really great questions. We had a great time. So at the bus stop for the kids, well, it doesn't feel that bad out there. We have 40s and 50s. It's a little damp from the rain that we had last night, and we have a couple of passing showers this morning. But hey, everyone is going to have a chance to get outside and enjoy some pretty nice weather today. We're looking warm, a bit breezy, and temperatures in the 70s. That sun is up, and we can see that shining down from our Cat V Skynet 9 camera in Morrisville. From SUNY Morrisville, looking out over the, you can see the Morrisville Eaton Elementary School is right there. 52 right now at the Syracuse Airport. It's been a little breezy this morning, but all in all, not too bad. Fayetteville is sitting at 52 right now. We have 41 in Morrisville and 51 in Oswego right now. Those high temperatures are climbing up very nicely. Everyone is in the 60s and 70s. Just a few passing showers. That icon's it looks worse than what it will actually be. Another day in the 60s and 70s tomorrow. Then our cold front moves through and down we go as we close out the week well below normal, and it's going to be unsettled with more chances of rain. Tuesday night into Wednesday, very steady rain around here. We're looking at a decent amount of rainfall. Rain chances sticking with us through the end of the week. But when I say decent amount of rainfall, I mean, look at this. This is starting noon on Tuesday, lasting through Wednesday evening. So it's a little over, it's about 36 hours here, a day and a half. But within that day and a half, I mean, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rainfall here. So it's going to be pretty soaking wet around here for Tuesday into Wednesday. On the radar, brief showers moving on through, a little bit of some steadier showers in some pockets where you see the darker greens, like right over Cicero right now. Probably enough to have the windshield wipers going for you. But this is all tied to this warm front that's pushing through right now that lifts up to our north, and that'll give us a very nice afternoon. By lunchtime, we'll have sunshine, a few fair weather clouds, and temperatures rising to the mid-70s. After school, after work hours, those outdoor activities looking great. Whether it's golf league, spring sports with the kids, you are good to go. Enjoy, because, well, the rest of the week is not going to be quite so nice, especially during that late afternoon, evening time frame. We wake up with some of these passing showers tomorrow, even possible isolated thunderstorms. We'll call it that for during the daytime. But by the evening, the rain's going to be a little tougher to kind of dodge these drops. Chances of thunderstorms are with us. Some of these could be on that stronger side with the gusty winds. And then we just have that widespread rain. Wednesday morning, we're waking up soaking wet with the rain. Temperatures in the 40s. And then it gradually eases as the day goes on. But it's still dealing with occasional rain showers and cold temperatures in the 40s. So Wednesday's not going to be the greatest of days around here. If you do not like it cool and rainy, we'll stick with the cool, rainy weather through Friday. And then Mother's Day's not looking too bad, though.
Yeah.
About
60s,
time.
mostly dry, not bad.
We deserve it.
Yeah, we do.
No snow, there you go.
I know.
May the 4th be with you. It is Star Wars Day, Master Yoda.